Breach of official duty in connection with preparation, etc. of electoral rules. Section 32 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 32 of the RPA Act 1950. Article 324 of the Constitution says, Superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RPA Act 1950. Section 32 comes under the Part 5th, that is, General. Section 32 is about breach of official duty in connection with preparation, etc. of electoral rules. It says, if an ERO, AEROs or any person with official duties for preparing, revising or correcting the electoral roll, including adding or removing names, neglects or breaches their duty without a valid reason, they can be punished with a minimum of 3 months in jail, can extend up to 2 years, and a fine. No one can file a civil case for damages against such officers for these acts or omissions. A court can only take up such cases if a complaint is made by or with the permission of the Election Commission or the State Chief Electoral Officer. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RPA Act 1950 was enacted and the Section 32 was incorporated. Conclusion and extra points. The legal provision ensures accountability for ERO, AEROs and assistants by penalizing the neglect of duty in managing electoral rolls while protecting them from civil lawsuits for damages. It also restricts court action to cases authorized by the Election Commission or Chief Electoral Officer, maintaining oversight within the electoral system. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 32 of the RPA Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.